Hello students, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Dr. Rajwant Kaur from DAV College Jalandhar. Today we are going to talk on module Marketing Research from paper Marketing Management. After completing this module, you will be able to understand the concept of marketing research. You can explain the relationship between marketing research and marketing decisions. You will be able to understand the nature and objectives of marketing research. You can explain the importance of marketing research, and you can also understand the various limitations of marketing research. The fundamental objective of business activity, it is to achieve its goals by satisfying the needs and societies of the needs and wants of the society. So in this context, marketing and marketing research, these attain the core position in the business management operations and activities. So as Peter has said that marketing is a distinguishing feature of businesses. Marketing is important from a national point of view, as it is only through the marketing that individual and societal needs these are satisfied. It improves the standard of living of the people by offering the variety of goods and services, generates employment and helps in exports. But successful marketing, it depends on detailed research about a consumer or customer and the market. Therefore, marketing research, it occupies an important place in marketing. The successful entrepreneurs, they always make an effort to search for information and identifying the newer ways to create, communicate and deliver value to their markets. So before further discussing about marketing research, let us first discuss the evolution of marketing research. So far the history of marketing research is apprehensive. The role and impact of industrial revolution, it remained very important. Uh, Consequently, the paradigm shift in the ways of production and management, it had shown the seeds of marketing research of modern days. Though before beginning of the industrial revolution, some cases of marketing research, these were reported. Yet the beginning of marketing research as an organized business activity, it began between 1910 and 1920. It is believed that in 1911, the appointment of Charles Parlin as the manager of the commercial research division of the advertising department of Curtis Publishing Company, it marked the beginning of organized marketing research. And after the World War II, there seemed to be a dramatic rise in the area of marketing research. Though by 1950s, and 1960 in 60s, television became the part of life and came the era of television advertisement. Further, the revolution in the area of information and communication technology and the process of globalization, it has intensely influenced the marketing research activities. The marketing research activities in India also got thrust in the post-economic liberalization scenario. Till the 1990s, marketing research was given much importance and used to be carried out as a routine activity and not as a challenging basic or challenging task. The real change in marketing research activities, it started taking place with the large scale entry of many multinational companies to India. These MNCs, that is multinational corporations, used the market research for making better business and strategic decisions, and this led many Indian companies to realize the significance of marketing research, which resulted in the growth of marketing research industry in India. Let us now discuss the factors which are responsible for development of marketing research. The one factor is shift in philosophy of business. Till 1930, the emphasis of the business was on production and development of quality goods only. After the Great Depression and oversupply of goods and services, it led to the steady shift in the emphasis from production to market. Today, market and marketing research, these are accepted as managerial philosophy, and businesses are more attuned to satisfy the consumer's need. Then another factor is change in cost structure. The fixed cost component of the organization, it has increased with the process of computerization. So to justify the huge capital investment, high and quality productions, these are needed, and this definitely calls for a need of marketing research. So another factor responsible for the development of marketing research is a shift from a price to non-price competition. The non-price competition such as advertising, product differentiation, branding and packaging, these are playing significant role in the realm of marketing. Then comes expansion of production processes. The specialization in the area of labor has led to the lengthening of production processes. The production process that was expected to be controlled by one manufacturer is now split among various manufacturers, each specialized in the part of the process. Increase in the discretionary buying power. With the increase in the income and standard of living of consumers, spending on unnecessary and luxury goods has increased as well. As the competition is high, the organization needs to be well notified about a market and other factors affecting the industry. Then another factor is high cost of marketing. Marketing activities, these are not limited to the local or domestic area. Rather, it has crossed the national boundaries, and this requires the huge investment as marketing operations has to cover a wide geographical area. So, marketing research provides the information about the market and assist in the reduction of cost. Emergence of a professional manager. This has also led for the need or for marketing research. Let us now discuss marketing research. Marketing research refers to the methods of defining the marketing problems and consequently collecting, analyzing, and interpreting the facts to help marketing manager in making rational marketing decisions, implementation of these decisions, and reconsideration of marketing decisions. In this way, marketing research it is a continuous business process. It is related with the study of all those factors which have a direct impact upon the marketing of goods and services. Marketing research deliberates on various aspects of production planning and development, pricing policies, effectiveness of personal selling, advertisement and sales promotion, distribution structure and channels, marketing strategies, competition, and the entire domain of buyers' behavior and attitudes in the market. So, various definitions of market research are given by different authors, like in the words of Hasty, Ronald, and Till. Marketing research may be defined as the systematic gathering, recording, and analyzing of data about problems relating to the marketing of goods and services under essentially non reckoning conditions. As per Philip Kotler, marketing research is a systematic problem analysis, model building, and fact finding for the purpose of important decision making and control in the marketing of goods and services. Let us now discuss about a process of marketing research. The first step is defining the marketing problem, then collection of required information systematically and scientifically, collection of data which involves the process of editing, coding, classification and tabulation. Then comes analysis of data by applying the various statistical techniques. Then comes interpretation of results in the light of prevailing circumstances and problem of the business. And next step is findings of the research. These are to be communicated to the management of organization who can take ultimate decision in the light of these findings. Now let us discuss about a relationship between marketing research and marketing decisions. Marketing research it is a set of techniques and principles for defining the marketing problem and for systematically collecting, editing, coding, tabulating, classifying, analyzing and interpreting data that can help marketing decision makers involved in marketing of goods, services and ideas. So the base for marketing decisions, this is the marketing research. Marketing research is a predictable link between business organization, marketing management and the markets in which they operate. It plays significant roles in three stages of planning and decision making: identifying marketing opportunities and threats by analyzing the internal and external business environment, developing and implementing the marketing plan, policy, strategy, and decision on the basis of marketing research. Then another relationship can be in the form of evaluation and review of effectiveness of marketing plan, policy, strategy, and decision. This feedback will help the marketing researcher in the future search relating to the marketing issues and concerns. Let us now discuss the nature of marketing research. It is a systematic study. The marketing research, it is a rational and organized activity. There is a definite procedure in which research is conducted, right from defining the marketing problem to possible solution. There is a succession of expression operation with logical arrangement. Next feature is that is it is a scientific study. Marketing research establishes the cause and effect relationship between two or more variables. The various statistical tools and techniques these are employed to study the association between variables. The researcher he should have the scientific attitude, and also the he should follow the scientific methodology of research. It is a managerial tool. Management of a company has to take many decisions to solve the problems with minimum cost and time. The hallmark of effective decision it is to select the best substitute. It is marketing research that can help the management to take sound decisions based on scientific methodology. Then the purpose, this is another feature. The purpose of marketing research, it is to define the problem. In formulating the research problem, the researcher should methodically understand the problem and reshape the same into meaningful terms from a study point of view. Solution, it is also one of the feature. Marketing research is solution oriented, and all the steps and actions are directed towards finding the solution of the problem. And for this purpose, appropriate data is collected, analyzed, and interpreted to arrive at right conclusion. Generalization, it is also one of the features which can very well describe the nature. Marketing research is particular and general. General principles are applied to arrive at the particular theory, and particular theory is applied in the general situation to develop the right viewpoint towards defining the research problem. Hence, the research highlights to the development of theories, concept, principles, and thus generalization. Empirical marketing research is it is an orderly and scientific inquiry of facts to reach at the truth. In this way, research is always based on apparent experiences, discernible evidences, and empirical proofs. Patience, patience is also core quality of the research. A researcher must have this quality to think over the problem and to find out the right solution than jumping into the before jumping into the conclusion. Then comes description. Marketing research involves concrete observation from the reliable and authentic sources. Then the data is accurately analyzed and presented with the use of various statistical and mathematical measures. Another feature can be knowledge. The researcher should be experienced and a properly trained person, and he should have full knowledge of problem under study. So he must be thoroughly conversant with the various statistical methods for analyzing the collected information. Marketing research requires a knowledge of the researcher, a replication, that is the design, procedures and conclusions of the research should be used by any person other than researcher who can appraise the validity of research. Thus, the conclusions of one research can be used by other researchers. Next feature is skill. So, in marketing research, proper training and careful skill is required in collecting, analyzing, interpreting, and reporting the data. Now, I am going to discuss about objectives of marketing research. Marketing research aims at facilitating producers, merchants, distributors, and advertisers to avoid mistakes either in manufacturing or in marketing. It focuses on minimizing business failures and maximizing the profitability. The main objectives of marketing research, these include a formulation of marketing plan. The objective of marketing research is to help in formulation of marketing plans, policies, programs, and procedure. Another objective is to and evaluate control and evaluate the business plans and policies, etc. It also aims at reducing various costs. It helps in curtailing different marketing costs like selling, advertising, promotion, and distribution costs. So, market research, it focuses on reduction of all these costs. Then, main objective of marketing research, that is to provide solution to various marketing problems. Marketing problems, these demand the best solution through the marketing research system, and these problems which need a solution through marketing research system, these can be classified under three major heads. That is, one is problems relating to the product itself, that means regarding branding, packaging, labeling, and services. Another problem is relating to the consumer markets or various consumer related problems. Then the third category is problems relating to the each phase of entire marketing process. So marketing research focuses on providing the best solution as far as possible to all these marketing problems so that marketing objectives can be achieved in the best and optimum manner. Next objective is marketing research. It focuses to help in the growth and survival of the business. So obviously the programs of marketing research, it provide insurance cover for the survival and sustainability of the business in this dynamic economy. Another objective is to have right selection of marketing mix. So marketing management tries to have through the marketing research, slide number 24, Another objective is to have a right selection of marketing mix. Marketing management through the marketing research can bring about the sale of a right product through right channels to right consumers at right places and at right prices by developing right plans, policies, programs with the help of right employees. So, marketing research provides detailed information, and on the basis of this information, management can have a right selection of the marketing mix, rather a profitable marketing mix. One of the important objective is a right decision about production. The objective of marketing research is to help or to enable entrepreneurs to produce goods satisfactorily and in a good saleable position, and to ensure that they reach the market easily, quickly, cheaply, profitably, without sacrificing the consumer's interests. So, obviously, the whole information collected through the research will definitely help in taking all these decisions. Then, management of risk and uncertainty, it is also objective of marketing research. Marketing research focuses on minimization of risk and uncertainty prevalent in the environment through a collection of information at the right time and with good techniques, and it also aims at maximizing the sales revenue. Marketing research also aims at expansion of market. Market research helps in expansion of market with improved product, and it is helpful in increasing the revenue. Let us discuss now about importance of marketing research. First, it is knowledge of market and consumers, which is provided through marketing research. A market is the group of present and potential consumers. Growing market requires numerous middlemen between a producer and consumer, and each middleman erected a variety of wall which blocked the backward flow of communication regarding consumer needs and dealers needs to the manufacturer. A size and a specialization within the business unit and interference of abundant middlemen between producers and consumers, they have created a gap of communication. The broadening of communication gap, it is the chief single factor for increasing importance of marketing research, just to fill up the communication gap between consumer and producer. Marketing research alone can provide first-hand knowledge of consumers and changes in the outline of the market. Then comes formulation of marketing research, marketing strategy. The emergence of buyer's market and increasing competition demands great need of marketing research to ensure maximum consumer satisfaction and repeated purchases. So, marketing research is helpful in evolving the appropriate marketing strategies to meet competition, to survive and grow in this competitive market. Next, it is helpful in understanding the economic environment. In a dynamic environment, marketing information and research helps forward-looking marketers to manage all the challenges and problems faced by, or rather posed by, environmental forces. Another importance is that it is a valuable management tool. Marketing research has become the cornerstone of the marketing concept, and no business firm can be market oriented or customer oriented or customer centered without the effective use of marketing research. The moment customer becomes the center of the marketing activities, the marketing research imagines or occupies unique importance, and it becomes an invaluable management tool in the formulation of accurate and realistic marketing plans and programs, advertising and sales promotion based on this important information of consumer demand, changing tastes, preferences and fancies, etc. Another importance is it is helpful in coping with the change. Marketing research enables management to predict, meet, and adapt change and creativity, and also accelerate the conditions of change, particularly in consumer demand. The real challenge to the marketing management is to firmly believe that a change in business, finding its new role, new customer, a new product, new market, it is even more important than efficient operations of the business. A solution of the marketing problems is the great advantage of marketing research. Marketing research can solve the problem brought about by unparalleled growth of science and technology. It helps management to bring about a prompt alteration and innovations in product design, packaging, advertising, sales promotion, and distribution policies, so that the business can keep itself up to date in the marketplace. Now I am going to discuss about limitations of marketing research. First is lack of qualified staff. Lack of qualified and experienced staff affects the marketing research process. And then comes scarcity of funds, which hinders the marketing research activities in the business. Another limitation is insufficient time, which puts a limit to the efficiency of marketing research findings. Then inadequacy of information needed is one of the significant tentative block in the marketing research process. Similarly, determining the proper sample size, it is also a difficult task and great limitation of marketing research. Next limitation is analyzing objectively the data collected and drafting of marketing research report. It needs a technical skill, and any lapse on this part may make the whole marketing research ineffective. Then identifying the problem and their possible solution, it is again a difficult task, so a big problem. Marketing research, it is not an exact science. Although marketing research uses the techniques of science, but itself it is not an exact science. The results obtained, these are not as accurate as compared to physical and chemical sciences. Then uncontrollable variable, legal, uh, technological and societal variables, these are uncontrollable and they affect the results of marketing research. So students, let us now summarize what we have learnt in this module, successful marketing, it depends on a detailed research about a consumer or a customer and market. Therefore, marketing research occupies an important place in marketing. The successful entrepreneurs, they always make an attempt just to seek information and identify the newer ways to create, communicate, and deliver value to their markets. The marketing research activities in India, these got momentum in the post-economic liberalization scenario. Till the 1990s, market research was not given much importance and used to be carried out as a routine activity and not on a challenging base. The real changes in marketing research activities, these started taking place within the large scale entry of many multinational companies to India. And these multinational corporations or multinational companies, these used the market research for making better business and strategic decisions. And this led many Indian companies to realize the significance of marketing research, which resulted in the growth of marketing research industry in India. Marketing research refers to the methods of defining the marketing problems, and consequently collecting, analyzing, and interpreting the facts to assist marketing manager in making rational marketing decisions, implementation of decisions, and a review of marketing decisions. In this way, marketing research is a continuous process. It is concerned with all those factors which have a direct impact upon the marketing of goods and services. Marketing research concentrate on various aspects of product planning and development, pricing policies, effectiveness of personal selling, advertisement and CS promotion, distribution structure and channels, marketing research, marketing strategies, competition, and the entire domain of buyers' behavior and attitudes in the market. Thus, marketing research, it is the systematic, scientific, and objective identification, collection, analysis, and dissemination, as well as the use of information for the purpose of improving decision making related to the identification and solution of problems and harnessing the opportunities and facing the threats in the marketing. Marketing research, it is a set of techniques and principles for defining the marketing problem and for systematically collecting, editing, coding, tabulating, classifying, then analyzing and interpreting the data that can help marketing decision makers involved in the marketing of goods, services and ideas. Marketing research, it is inevitable link between business organization, marketing management and the markets in which they operate. Marketing research, it is used in the formulation of all marketing plans, policies, programs and procedures. It is employed for control and evaluation of business plans and policies, etc. Marketing Marketing problems demand the best solution through market research system. Marketing management through marketing research can bring about the sale of a right product through right channels to right customers at right places and at right prices by developing right plans, policies and programs with the help of right employees. Marketing research enables producers, merchants, distributors, and advertisers to avoid mistakes either in manufacturing or in marketing. And to this extent, it can minimize business failures and maximize profitability. Thank you.